Muthenya wa ira kihomano-ini gia thirikari cia matura ya IKUMI mucini wa Eldoret kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu. Baruthi wa Amerika WHITEMAN niguo araheanire ndumiri haria bururi umite akiuga githurano kia mwaka muthiru kiamurikitwo ni mabururi ma Ruraya na uguo ndari na nganja igoti tugiru ni riatuire cira na kihoto. Ni MIARIO iriru irugitwo icuri ni mutongoria wa Azimio Raila Odinga aking'ethera WHITEMAN na maruru uria ugite hinda riria akoretwo bururi-ini tirigano ria kuigirira mwathanire wa bururi na makiria riri miario ya uiguano irathie na mbere.
I arrived in Kenya days before the August 22 general elections. What I witnessed was nothing short of remarkable. Kenya held what many analysts and commentators say was the freest, fairest, and most credible election in Kenyan history.
Leave Kenyans alone. If maandamano can lead to a dialogue between Ichung'wah and Kalonzo, everything is good with maandamano. Tell the rogue ambassador, Kenya is not United States. Kenya is not a colony of the United States.
WHITEMAN atumiro bururi-ini mwaka-ini muhituku ta baruthi wa 18 wa Amerika Kenya thiko nini tu mbere ya githurano kinene mweri-ini wa 8. Odinga arauga kuona kwina cikaro irathie na mbere gatagati ga thirikari na mung'ethaniro imwe ya agenda iri guthurima githurano kia president kia mwaka muthiru. WHITEMAN athie na mbere kujuga ndereti ino no ekoria kiinukio.
Elections were observed by international and local election organizations, and the results were upheld by the Kenyan Supreme Court, and power was transferred orderly and peacefully at the time.
Keep your mouth shut when you hear. Otherwise, we will call for your recall back to your country.
Ndumiriri yake igie makinya maria thirikari cia matura itacokitie miaka 10 kuma ciambiririe. Raila augite thirikari nene no ithiete ona mbere guthararia uheani wa motungata ihinda-ini riria riagiriire amu bengi nene wabici ya muthurimi wa budget commission ya ugai wa kigina gia kaunti irarumirira matua ma kiuteti undu uria uracungiriria gucerithirio kwa mbeca cia kaunti.
The Commission of Revenue Allocation continues to be ignored, making revenue sharing between national and county governments and among counties uneven and more political than professional. Nyani aone kuduli.
Thirikari nene no icukiirwo gwakiriria ungumania kaunti-ini. Raila akiuga motungata mamwe ministry-ini cia urimi mai na ugima wa mwiri maraheanwo ni honge ciceri haha mbeca cia muingi ikiona mweke wa kungumio.
Affordable housing is being conceptualized and implemented by the national government. Government want to build markets and employ community health workers. All these are devolved functions whose money should be released to the counties. This tug of war between the counties and the national government need to come to an end.
Mateta ma MCAs makienda mishara yao yongererwo no monekete kuhimbirio ni mung'ethaniro. Raila akiuga MCAs niyo mabaruthi ya utungata wa mbere wa dini na ni mabatie guthikiririo. MCAs maramukagira ciringi 144 no kuma kamiti ya guthurima misahara SRC yanira nyongerera ya 10,000 mweri-ini wa mugwanja riu mariamukagira mushara wa 154 na njoherera ingi.
As the first port of call across the villages, MCAs have real concerns like remuneration and facilitation that ought to be addressed.
Kigomano giki gigatirihwo rucio ni munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua. Giribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.